Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful crochet edging, border, trim, whatever you want to call it. You can use this on the edge of something that is not even crochet. Maybe you have a plain fabric, you want to just upgrade the look, you can do this on the edge. Before we go further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Click on the subscribe button for more crochet tutorials, and it really also helps me out. And all that being said, let us just get on into this video. To begin, I'm going to be chaining 25. That's a multiple of 8 plus 1. For this stitch, you need to do a multiple of 8 plus 1 chains. 24 is a multiple of 8, and then I'm adding 1, which is how I got 25. Also, for this tutorial, I'm using one strand of yarn because you guys are always asking me whether you can make anything with one strand of yarn, and yes, you can. I'm using a strand of yarn with 2.5 mm hook. This is baby lamb, but trust me, baby lamb and yeye have the same thickness. So if you can use one strand of baby lamb, you can use one strand of yeye. So I'm going to start with my 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 25. I've just finished my 25 chains. To begin row 1, I'm going to chain 3, which serves as my turning chain, and then I do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Now that I have my 2 double crochets, remember that the chain 3 you did last serves as the first double crochet for this row, and I've added 1 more double crochet in the 4th chain. I'm going to chain 1 and skip the next chain, and then I do 3 double crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip the next chain and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip the next chain and do 3 double crochets. You're going to continue this till you get to the end of the row. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and 3 double crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 chains. And the row 1 is complete. This is what we have. Row 2, chain 1 and turn the work. Do a single crochet in the very first double crochet, and then you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second double crochet of these 3 double crochet sets, in this one, you do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Right, this is what we have. And then you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second double crochet of this next 3 double crochet sets, you do a single crochet there. Chain 4 again. In the next, like the second double crochet of the next 3 double crochet sets, you do 3 double crochets. Chain 4. A single crochet in the next double crochet. That's the second double crochet of the chain 3 set. Chain 4 again. Do your 3 double crochets in the next. To end, you chain 4 and do a single crochet in the top of the chain 3 that you did at the beginning of the previous row. And this brings us to the end of our row 2. This is what our work looks like now. To begin row 3, you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the next double crochet, that's this very first double crochet here, you do a treble crochet. And to do a treble crochet, you yarn over twice, put your hook in that space, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, treble crochet done. After doing the treble crochet stitch, first chain 3, 1 2 3, hold it down there, and then chain another 3, 1 2 3. Now do a slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, 1 2 3. In that 4th chain, do a slip stitch there. This is a variation of picot, and then you chain 2. Now that you've done this, we are going to do double crochet 3 together across these 3 double crochets. Just watch me, it's quite easy. The first double crochet here in that very first double crochet, the second double crochet in the next double crochet, and the third double crochet in the last double crochet. Now yarn over, pull through all. Right, this is what we have now. This is the chain 4 at the beginning with the treble stitch. This is your picot variation, and this is the double crochet 3 together just done. We're then going to do another picot variation, chain 3, chain 3 again, slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, and then you chain 2. Then we do treble crochet 2 together, starting from this 3rd double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, start another treble. The second treble crochet, you're doing it in the 1st double crochet of the next set. Now yarn over, pull through the 3. Once you are done with the treble crochet 2 together, you do another picot, chain 3, chain 3 again, slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook, then you chain 2, and now we do double crochet 3 together, starting from the 1st double crochet, going to the 2nd, and then in the 3rd, yarn over, pull through all. Then you do another picot variation by chaining 6, slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2 again, and now you do treble crochet 2 together, starting from the 3rd double crochet of this set and continuing in the 1st double crochet of the next set. Pull through all. Another picot variation, chain 6, 1 2 3, slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2 again, do your double crochet 3 together, starting from the 1st double crochet, another picot, 3 4 5 6, slip stitch in the 4th chain, chain 2, and then do your treble crochet 2 together. Now the second treble crochet will be done in the single crochet that you did at the beginning of the previous row. Yarn over, pull through 3. Guys, this is what we have now. This is really lovely. This is what we have. Let me just fasten off. So guys, this is what we have. This is the border done. This is very lovely and dainty. You can even work this on the edge of something that is not crochet. If you have maybe a plain fabric that you want to spice up, you can just do this on the edge. It is really lovely and dainty. Comments down below what you're going to be using this edging for. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crochet tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, share with your other crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.